Have you ever faced a malfunctioning garage door and wondered if it could be repaired? In many cases, garage doors impacted by wear and tear can indeed be restored to functionality. Understanding the types of damage, from broken springs to dented panels, is crucial for homeowners. Common damage includes misaligned tracks, worn-out rollers, and garage door opener failures, disrupting your daily routine. If you spot minor cosmetic damage, like scratches, simple repairs may suffice to keep your door functional. Garage doors need smooth operation. Track and roller issues can often be fixed with professional adjustments. When springs or cables break, they're critical components for operation, and professional replacement is advised. However, significant structural damage may signal it's time for a replacement rather than a repair. Frequent breakdowns can indicate it's time to upgrade to a newer, more efficient garage door model. Don't risk DIY repairs. Professionals possess the expertise and tools to ensure safe, effective garage door repairs.